Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Dipti Kulkarni, lecturer, Department of Physics, KLS Kokte PU College, Belgavi. In this video, I am going to discuss Introduction to Physics. Online teaching is another aid of teaching. Online teaching provides both students and teachers with great flexibility to address varying learning styles and use different technologies. We can teach or learn from the comfort of our homes and do not need to be at a specific place or a specific time to learn or interact. In this session, I would like to introduce a whole new world of physics. In this beautiful planet we call Earth, there are a lot of interesting events taking place. These events are around us, which we see or do or experience regularly. At some point in time, your curiosity would have definitely got the better view and would have pushed you to ask the questions like, what's going on? How does that happen? Well, living miracles apart to answer for all these questions is physics. You see more events in our everyday life than what meets your eye. So to appreciate the events which we can see, right? You have to understand which you can't see. Confused? Don't worry. Let's make it very simple by looking into an everyday life examples at random. We all know this alarm sound. It is very annoying, right? Very annoying sound, yet important also. The sound is important. Sound is something which we cannot see but hear or experience. It is used in important medical equipments like ultrasonic scanner and ships to estimate the depths of a sea. Physics studies the origin, propagation and property of sound. To have a cup of coffee, we boil water after turning on the stove. We noticed the water is hot enough. When it starts boiling, then we see steam. The gradual rise in the temperature that causes water to bubble and later change to heat. Thus, we get hot water by heating by increasing the temperature of water. Heat is used in industry to melt the metals and make various types of heavy duty machines like automobiles, generators and also used in household appliances like electric or steam iron. Heat and its property is important topic in physics as well. While we take a walk in the park or tar road, we have a good grip without slipping because of sort of roughness and resistance between sole of our shoes and road. This resistance is responsible for gripping is called friction or traction. Friction is an important factor in making of tires. Is also explained by physics. We have all observed that apple falling from tree or ball reaches the ground when we throw up. How is this possible? It is nothing to be puzzled about. The answer is simple. Our earth has a kind of pull that draws every object on its surface. This pull is called gravity or gravitational force. This force was discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. According to him, F is directly proportional to the product of the two masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Implies F is equal to G into m1 m2 divided by r square. So this is the gravitational force formula. Okay. So here is one simple problem based on this gravitational force. The universal law of gravitation is the force law, also known as the options are 4, triangle law, square law, inverse square law, parallelogram law. So here already we discussed this gravitational force. F is inversely proportional to what? Square of the distance, inversely proportional to the square of the distance. That is the reason the answer is inverse square law. Okay. So we know the gravity and gravitational force, but we never think about this type of a problem which increases the curiosity in the physics. Speaking of tugs or pushes, what we do when we open or close the door? We use force. When door is heavy, we need more strength to move it. Force is something like daily basis activities like brushing our teeth, swimming, running, etc. All we enjoy cricket, right? But when it comes to relate the physics, we have to understand the physics concepts to solve this type of problem. A cricketer catches a ball of mass 150 gram in 0.1 second, moving with the speed of 20 meter per second. Then he experiences force of. Okay. So this is the video clipping where the cricketer catches a ball. So we all enjoyed this cricket, right? But we never think about this type of a problem. So physics concepts helps us to solve this type of a problems. The answer is 30 Newton. But how we got this? Here is the solution. F is equal to mass into acceleration. Acceleration is nothing but it is the dv by dt. Using this expression, I just solved this problem. So when we substitute the values in the formula, we get 30 Newton. Force is nothing but pressure exerted by one to another body. We would have seen and done at least a few of these tricks, right? So, what makes objects remains the same even though pull or tug on it? It is inertia or unwillingness or laziness, which means the body will not move unless the external force acts on it. This property of inertia is important in automobile industry while mimicking the accidents for a safer car to be manufactured. Physics also involves inertia. Next one, Electricity and magnetism. Let's look into our daily gadgets like mobiles, computers, home appliances. All are the applications of electricity. We all well versed about electricity. I am not going in detail about this electricity, right? Remember, if electricity can rock your world, you can shock your world. Next one, magnetism. When we use compass, we notice that the needle shows only one direction, that is north. Because of force of attraction, oppositely charged ends called magnetism. All materials that fall in magnetism can be termed as are called magnets. Did you know, apart from being just a planet, our Earth is one big giant magnet? We learn in detail in the future. Physics looks into the property into magnetism mode of transportation like metro trains and in parts of electronic speakers. After a while of rain, we can see the rainbow which has 7 different colors. This is due to dispersion, which is the property of light. We are going to learn the properties as well as the many phenomena of light in the physics. Did you know we all are made up of many smaller particles? Some we can see and some we can't see. With the help of microscopes, we can study some smaller particles. Particles are nothing but they are atoms. All are made up of atoms which are around us. Hence, from all these events, let us define physics. The word physics comes from Greek, that is physis, and physic, which means nature or knowledge of nature. I hope I have tried to touch most of the concepts from physics. I have prepared a video on amazing physics facts. Just enjoy the video and try to understand the physics facts behind them. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this.